This is what he learned. So we have the strong, the magnificent, gigantic Luda. Let's go. Canoe Canadian style.
Way better than Lithuanian, guys, honestly. Next video is going to be with the wide rapids. My God. And for you all you Quebecois, je t'aime Quebec.
Thank you.
Yeah, this is Canadian canoeing or kayaking. So we just crossed this one. We couldn't cross, Patrick tried to flip over, so we had to drag the canoes on the side. It was awesome. Now we're just having a break, short lunch. Hello everybody.
Hello.
Have a big day.
So, oh my God, let's have a breakfast of the champions. Whew. Peace, over and out.